Asian to receive the Nobel Prize. As we all know, our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana, was also written by him. Today, we are here to remember him as we are going to celebrate Ravindra Jayanti in our school as well.
Students of class 5 and 6 ready with their welcome song to start the program. Please give them a huge round of applause.
Today I am here to recite a poem. The title of my poem is Where the Mind is Without Fear by Rabindranath Tagore. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where the knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where the words come out from the depth of truth, with the tireless striving stretches arms towards perfection, with the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-winding thought and action, into that heaven of freedom my Father led my country away. Thank you.
ফাগুন হাওয়ায় হাওয়ায় করেছি যে দান, তোমার হাওয়ায় হাওয়ায় করেছি যে দান, আমার আপন হারা প্রাণ, আমার বাঁধন ছেঁড়া প্রাণ, তোমার হাওয়ায় হাওয়ায় করেছি যে দান, ফাগুন হাওয়ায় হাওয়ায় করেছি যে দান, আমার আপন হারা প্রাণ, আমার বাঁধন ছেঁড়া প্রাণ, তোমার হাওয়ায় হাওয়ায় করেছি যে দান, ফাগুন হাওয়ায় হাওয়ায় করেছি যে দান। তোমার রসকে কি সুখে, তোমার রসকে কি সুখে, অলক্ষ রং লাগলো আমার অকারণের সুখে, তোমার রসকে কি সুখে, অলক্ষ রং লাগলো আমার অকারণের সুখে, তোমার ঝাউয়ের দোলে মরমরিয়া ওঠে আমার দুঃখ রাতের গান, তোমার হাওয়ায় হাওয়ায় করেছি যে দান, ফাগুন হাওয়ায় হাওয়ায় করেছি যে দান।
ভাই আজ আমাদের ছুটি, কি করে আজ ভেবে না পায়, পথ হারিয়ে কোন বলে যায়, শোন মাঠে যে ছুটি বেড়ায়, সকল ছেলে জুটি। ধন্যবাদ।
The new Pandit Moshai they were expecting was named Kali Kumar Tarkalankar. After the holidays, the boys were returning to school by train from their respective homes. One of them, a witty fellow, had composed a poem about the new Pandit called Kalu Kumror Balidan, which all of them were citing at the top of their voices. Just then, an old gentleman boarded the train at Arcot station. With him, he carried his kantha wrapped bedding roll, 2 or 3 earthen handies sealed with rags, a tin trunk, and a few bundles.
There is no room for you here, old man. Go and find another carriage.
It's too crowded. I'll just take the little corner. I won't bother you at all.
With this word, he left the bench to them and moved to a corner of the floor where he spread out his bedding.
Baba, where are you all going and for what purpose?
To perform a shraddha, a funeral ceremony.
Whose Shraddha is it?
Kalu Takkalamka, black pumpkin green chili will teach you a lesson and make you silly. Kalu Kumro Takkalamka, black pumpkin green chili will teach you a lesson and make you silly. Kalu Kumro Takkalamka, black pumpkin green chili will teach you a lesson and make you silly.
The train halted at Asansol. The old man got off to have a bath. As soon as he returned to the carriage, afterwards, Bichkun warned him.
Don't remain in this carriage, sir.
Why may I ask?
It's infested with rats, old man.
Rats? How is that possible?
Just look at the mess they had made.
The gentleman found that the handis full of sugary kodmas was now completely empty, and the one containing khoichur had not a grain left in it.
And they ran with whatever was inside your bag.
That bundle had contained 4 or 5 ripe mangoes from his garden.
The rats are all famished, I see.
No, sir. It's their nature to devour things even if they are not hungry.
The boys laughed uproariously.
I think I made a mistake. If I had known that there are so many rats traveling in the train, then I would have carried some more stuff.
The boys were disheartened to find that the old man did not lose his temper in spite of so much teasing. If he had been proved, it would have been fun. The train stopped at Burdwan. It would halt there for about an hour to switch tracks.
I won't trouble you anymore. I will find another compartment.
No, that won't do. You can travel with us in this carriage and don't worry about your bags. We will guard them and nothing will be lost.
So the boys got into the carriage. A little later, the sweet seller's cart came and halted before the compartment. Handing a paper bag to each of the boys, he said,
Now, there will be no shortage of food.
shouted the boys, jumping up in glee. The mango seller also arrived there with his basket of mangoes. There was no dearth of mangoes either at the feast.
Hello, where are you? What will you do?
I am going in search of a work. I will get up wherever I will find work.
They clapped their hands, all of them, and said,
Come to our school then.
Why would your authorities want to keep me?
They must. We won't study under a new teacher.
You have put me in a difficult position. What if the secretary doesn't approve of me?
He must approve, or else we all will leave our school.
All right, then just take me.
The train arrived at their station. The secretary was there in person. Seeing the old man, he said,
Kindness has the power to change the world, just like how the old man's kind way changed the boy's attitude and behavior. The world would be a more beautiful place if we were a little kinder to each other. भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविण उच्चल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब में जावे तब शुभाशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय